I dare you to only use one word all day.
Seriously?
Yep, starting now. One word responses only.
Pick up PAL APP. Work your magic. Challenge accepted. Prepare for monosyllabic seduction.
Challenge accepted. Prepare for monosyllabic seduction.
Lama, let's see how long you last.
Long.
Okay, smartass. What's your plan for our date tonight?
Surprise.
That's not helpful. What should I wear?
Nothing.
Hank, be serious. Fancy or casual?
Both.
You're impossible. Wait, oh my god, my car won't start.
Duck.
Help me, what do I do?
Battery.
I don't know, maybe? It's making a weird noise.
Describe.
Like a grr, click, click sound.
Starter.
English, please?
Mechanic.
I can't afford that right now.
YouTube.
Oh my god, I found a video. It says to hit the starter with a hammer.
Carefully.
I did it. Car started. I'm a genius.
Impressive.
Thanks, babe. On my way to your place now.
Drive.
Holy shit, Hank. My parents are at your place.
What?
You broke the dare.
Crapple mode.
They wanted to surprise us. Dinner's ready, apparently.
Awkward.
Lol. Good luck explaining your one-word responses to them.
Help.